Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you another new video. And if you are new here, please hit a subscribe button. I make videos on doodle, bottle art and different art medium. And if you have any special requests, please do comment. I'll always make videos on that. So let's start talking about today's video. Today's video is about the bottle painting. I think this is the best way to reuse your old bottles or redecorate your old stuff to paint them, and these are the perfect for your home decor corners, like a sweet corner over your table with flowers or something. So for this bottle painting you need these two brushes mainly. So first brush I'm using of the Camlin, the brush number 8, and if you don't have this, don't worry, you can use any medium size of brush. Just make sure that brush size something look like this, because we are not working on a big canvas, we are working in a small canvas. That's the reason. And the second one is the brush number 4. Basically it's a thin brush which we need for detailing, so you can choose according to that. I mostly use Camlin brush, or this one is I think Faber-Castell brush. Now if you talk about the paints, we need these shades. Here I'm using Fabrica acrylic paints. You can use any brand's acrylic paint. So first one is white, and the second one is black. If you don't have black, you can use brown or any dark shade. This is basically for the eyes. And the third one is yellow. As you can see in the video, we need the yellow for the base, as the basic color of Minion is yellow and blue. And the last one we need the color blue. And if you don't have this shade, you can go for another shade. And the last thing we need some rope. Here I'm using a jute rope. You can use ribbon, anything, whatever you have at home, anything which you can tie up in the top. And one more thing you need, that is sponge. So just grab your materials and then we are good to go, and we'll start. So first we'll paint the base color with white. While we are painting base, because yellow is a transparent color, yellow is a light color, it will not just pop up in a correct manner. Okay, so we need some base over it. That's why we are painting white as a base. So once your base is dry and it's ready, then you can go for the yellow. Here I'm using sponge. You can use brush also, but I prefer to use sponge because it helps me to smooth the surface. So I just request you to use sponge only, and I think you also love the texture. Okay, just dab it all over the bottle and then keep it for a dry. So just left the bottom part because there we are putting the blue, so you know, no need to put yellow. If by chance you have put it, that's totally okay. So in that area we just need to put blue. So if you get stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all the questions. As you can see in the video, we need to paint all the bottom area for the blue. Later on we move to the drawing. Okay, and whenever you do another layer, make sure that your bottle is dry. So here I need to make that shape. Okay, so here I'm just roughly making a rectangle. I'm so sorry for this out focus, I did not realize while making a video. Okay, but I'll show you right now. So this is how it will look. Just give a 1 or 2 coat so that it the color pop out clearly. Okay, like this. So after this I'll just paint some eyes and draw some rough sketch for eyes and the cloth. Okay, like this. So what I have done a 2 circle for eyes and a small square for mouth. Okay, and I have painted with the white. Now I'll just do outline with fine brush. Make sure that you take your time here because black is a dark color. You can't put any other color to fade it out or anything else. See, this is here's a tip. So whenever you do with light color, you might cover it later with the dark color or something we can do, but when you work with the dark color you can't cover it up. Okay, you need to do something else in that bottle. You need to work then with the dark colors only. So whenever you do the work with the dark colors, make sure that you have time, you are sit comfortably, and you are totally focused in that only. Okay, so as you can see in the video, I just drawn all the detail like eyes and the mouth now, and I've just drawn the strip which minions have. Now I'm doing the outline of the eye. We are almost in the end and you are doing such a great job. If you are drawing with me and if you made something, please do tag me on my Instagram page that called @creativeclass2, or you can comment in down about your experience. Any feedback is welcome. Okay, so like this is how the bottle has turned out. Now we need to do a little bit here and there. First we need to make a strip. Okay, the cloth part. So here I'm just going roughly. You can even make a pencil mark before moving further. And don't worry about the thickness of the strap. You can just go randomly. Just make sure don't go for the overboard like a major thick line. Just make sure that you have a normal line like this. So here's one tip: if you have gloves, please use it, because I've experienced that because of the blue my hands got dirty and I can see some blue marks here and there. Okay, I hope this is clear. If you find any confusion, do let me know. Now I've added the eyebrows, and this is how the bottle is looking from the all over side. And thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.